Hi, this is Anvesh Radharapu, and my project is on exploratory data analysis on customer demand for internet speeds and upgrades. So, coming to the introduction, as the growing reliance of internet for work, education, entertainment, and communication had led to increased demand for internet and its speed. So, uh, as the latest technology emerges, AI will take a lot of bandwidth, and as when we take an example of ChatGPT, it is a automatic language generative model where it generates the text on the go. So it needs a high amount of bandwidth and speed. So this my project is based on that. So we we are dependent on speed on this on in these ages. So uh, implementing new technology across the world for internet larger speeds is very expensive, and it may take a lot of time to build the infrastructure. So in order to keep the internet service providers ahead of time and the customers feel satisfied and loyal, uh, we have so this project may be helpful for them to be ahead of time. So the problem I'm going to solve is, like, I have divided the problem into three parts: what, why, and how. What they identify the market desire for the option to increase the internet speed. Why? To make internet decision informed decision that can lead to revenue growth and increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. And how we are going to do it? Understand the reason behind customer interest and identify pattern in customer demand based on the demographic location. So my motivation behind it, as I already said, like, the internet providers may need a large number of work load and large number of work and more time to develop the infrastructure for this high speed internet. So in order to keep them ahead and keep the customers satisfied with the internet speeds, this data may be used, this exploited data analysis may be used for them to implement the required changes. And the background review. So past studies have revealed that the variables such as age, income, internet usage habits, and perception of usability, usefulness, and attitude towards upgradable play significant role in affect, affecting customer intentions to enhance the internet speed. So this exploratory data analysis aim to expand these insights by examining the Deloitte Media Consumption Survey. So Deloitte Media Consumption Survey, it's a data set which is a survey asked to us all among the US with questions, and this data is directly from the customers itself. So it has all the demographic information about the customer and their personal information, like what is their age, what are they studying, and how they are employed, and what is the status of the employment, and what are their annual income. So based on these decisions, whether they are willing to increase their speeds by paying more is the discussion topic here. So I will be discussing on that. And how I'm going to do it, I'm approaching to handling the data is: step one, filtering the data based on the problem statement. And my problem statement is, are they willing to pay, are the customers willing to pay based on gender, region, income, and etc. So step two is the demographic analysis of age, gender, region, and income, etc. So after that, we have to handle different types of data in a different way, like adding null values to them, or many other ways. So step three will be handling missing values, and step four will be summary statistics. So I have few hypotheses, and in order to prove them, I have to show statistics of the data, whether this data may be useful or not. So I have used three statistics: summary statistics, analysis, and bivariant analysis to back up my words. So my future work will be encoding categorical data into binary encoding, label encoding, and one-hot code encoding. So this is the process I'm going to follow, and the result I have got is the age distribution among the US people is this, and this is the gender distribution. So the key takeaways of these two graphs are: several customers fall in 16 to 26 and 68 to 70 age group. and the number of male and female customers is almost equal. However, there are slightly more female customers compared to male customers. That is the key takeaways from those graphs. And this is the employment status distribution and annual income distribution. The key takeaways from this are most customers are employed full time or part time. Most of the customers have an annual household income between 50K to 100K US dollars. After that, I have taken the statistics of the data which I have. It is a univariate analysis. Univariate analysis refers to statistic analysis of a single variable at a time. In other words, it involves examining the distribution of a single variable, identifying its central tendency and dispersion, and summarizing its characteristics using various descriptive and statistic analysis. These are the individual plots of every question which we have in the dataset, and this is the heat map of the dataset. Using bivariant analysis to evaluate the corresponding yields little insights for the component of the dataset containing categorical variable. This is due to the fact that categorical variable may be a conventional method of counting various pairs and assembling their frequencies does not offer valuable information in this scenario. And this is the result of taking individual parameter versus the willingness of pay. So this graph is the willingness of pay, like what which age group of the customers are willing to pay for extra speeds. And then this is the employment status, like which status of employment, like what is the status of the employee who are willing to pay. And this is the top apps which are being, like, top 10 apps that are being used in the smartphones to uh and these are the guys who are willing to pay more. And these are my analysis, and my future work will be related to ha- on encoding categorical data, involve exploring data different techniques such as binary encoding, label encoding, and one hot encoding. These techniques can be used for nominal or ordinal variables. So this is my project, and I hope I enjoyed a lot while doing this project, and I gained a lot of insights from this. And I hope it will be informative to you guys also. Thank you.